Whoa, he's a cool fireman. Look at this bro. Okay. Okay. Oh no.
Hold up.
Hi guys, we're the Wilson Go.
My name's Alec.
My name's Delaney, and today we are doing a game called Guess Who, but Lego edition.
Lego.
So here's the back.
Here comes the ginormous. A ginormous guy.
We'll show you all the sides and stuff. So this is what it has. You can be the red team or the blue team.
I'll be in the red.
I'll be the blue. And here's the kids playing.
Oh, bless you.
And here's the side. You probably don't really care. And this side has some characters on it. There's a police and all that stuff. So we're gonna have to open it. Ooh, this is an easy opening. As you can see, this looks very fun. Can you see anything?
Yeah.
Whoa! Here's the big packet, and we'll tell you how to play after we're done. So we'll get all the pieces out. So yeah.
All right, you're gonna have to build the same thing as what you're building on the other side.
And you pack one first.
So you're gonna make two of these. You're gonna make two of that, two of these, two of these, two of these.
Okay, this is pack one. So we'll open up pack one. Hopefully no pieces go on. Okay.
All right, let's start
and
the
then you need to
building.
make this person. So find some red shorts.
So help each other.
shorts.
What are you gonna do? Put it
Now
in the box for
find
this one?
Jacket.
Are you gonna put it in this, Delaney,
No, it
or
doesn't
no?
say that.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
No, that's
Then
not
let's
the
put this
jacket.
away then.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, it is. There's just another one right there. And then you put them together. Hot dogs, too. And we need to make this prison guy. We need some black shorts. Here, do it with me.
Fine.
Yep, I think you should put it on the, like, rounder.
Got it, Alec. That's it.
Yeah, good. I'll put it over here. And we'll lay them down, because not really. Ooh, this is a nice... Oh, you put the hat on sideways.
That's fun.
Whoa, he's a cool fireman. Look at this bro. Okay.
Is that let me see. A cool farmer? Oh, it's the mechanic. It's Daddy's mechanic, the one that fixed Daddy's car. All right, give it to me so we can see all of it. See, these are the two ones. This is perfect. All right.
See, look, Mommy, look.
And this is, hold on, baby. Who is this one? Popsicle maker? What is this? Oh no, this is the one that works in the airport. The one that does like this to the airport.
Oh, they look like popsicles.
No, but those are the signs that they need to go left or go right.
They
Right? So
look
the
like
airport,
popsicles.
yeah, the airport
They kind
guide.
of really actually look like popsicles.
Yeah, this
The one on
one.
the right, the red stores.
Who is this one, guys?
The waking bar.
The prison guard. This is the prison guard.
No, maybe he's in jail.
Jail guard.
No, maybe he's in jail and he got in trouble.
Oh.
No,
And
and then
then-
he used the like thing to break through.
Oh my gosh. And who is this one?
Firefighter.
Oh, this one's easy. All right, I guess that one's extra. Just give it to me.
Just in case you, I think it might be for like in case you lose any pieces, maybe soon. Up next.
Alec, help your sister out.
Whoa.
Be careful.
So first it says
Red
we need
pants.
red pants. And then
Job,
you need,
Alec is
this
catching up.
Red like shirt. I think this one. No, yeah, this one.
I don't see it. I don't see it.
It's like literally a boy, but like with a t-shirt that looks like a girl. Now all you gotta do, I think this one was the hardest one for rest.
Got it.
Oh, it actually has a hole in it. What if you can actually put this in water?
They said this is me because it has
Yeah,
the camera.
because you have the same
It's all
color hair.
different.
You have the same color hair.
Oh, the other one right-handed. The other
Scuba
one's
diver.
left-handed.
She's looking at her hair like, oh, I'm so beautiful. She's the best. Alec, okay, there's a lot of little pieces to this, so keep track
What is
if
it?
any lose.
What is it though? What are you making this
There's
time?
like penguins in this one. There's like snowballs and ice cream.
Yeah, this is gonna be hard.
A black slanted thing, and then we're done the penguin.
It's a square penguin. And does not even have a face. No ears, no nothing. No
But then it would
eyes.
have to be like a big penguin. That would take up like a whole pack.
No, it's all good.
That's my sack.
So which one are we
And
following?
my
This
sack.
one. See, this is package number
I'm
4.
doing my sack.
Maybe Alec can help you out now.
This is my sack.
This is page 4.
This is my sack.
Okay, wait. Maybe we
Alright,
should put
yeah.
the little pieces separate. Because then we don't want to like
Yeah.
put them in.
Is it asking you to open the little one too?
We need it for the pieces, so yeah.
Like, explain. Tell me what happened.
This is connected with down, but it just exists. And it's a move. It moves.
Yeah, you're doing great, Alec.
How to get this out?
Look,
Why are you taking it out?
because it's the wrong way. Like he always does it.
No, I don't. See, Lainey, is this how we do it?
No, I'll just put these and then you can do the rest.
I'm not going to do it.
What are we doing, dear?
We're cleaning up because tomorrow we're going to do this. We're going to finish our video.
Part 2. Why do we have to clean up?
It's really late. It's almost midnight in an hour. See you tomorrow.
God, see you tomorrow.
In 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
1. Bye.
Guys, don't watch us anymore. No one comes.
It's so cool. Look.
I love them.
It's called What Am I? Oh, I love them because you're going to get a lot of people. Oh, you can only change the faces, but actually they're...
You can change the bodies too, as long as you change them on both sides.
Right, but I mean, but the body are usually just a construction worker. What is this blue thing? Oh, the photographer. I like that. I think the top or the shirts are the one that's giving the clue.
I mean, you can give a clue about anything. That's the thing. You can ask them if they're boys or girls.
Right.
If they have something in their hands, if they have a hat or hair, or if they have sunglasses on. You don't have to ask like, are they construction workers?
All right. Would you make that? If Daddy will buy you that, will you make it? Oh, look at that.
It goes
You
faster.
can. You're not 12 years old.
Mom, at the bottom goes faster.
Yeah.